In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy shares in Trading 212. We'll walk through the process on the app or web so you can place your first order with confidence. Start by opening Trading 212 and logging in. Before you do anything, make sure you're in the Invest or ISA account. If you accidentally switch to CFD, you're dealing with contracts, not real shares, so double-check the Account tab at the top of the screen. Next, find the company you want to invest in. Tap the search icon at the top and type either the company name or its ticker symbol, like AAPL for Apple. This opens the stocks page with the live price, chart, news, and other details you can review before buying. When you're ready, tap Buy on the stocks page to open the trade ticket. Here's where you choose how much to invest. Trading 212 supports fractional shares, which means you can start with small amounts instead of purchasing a full share. You can enter an amount in currency, such as £50, or switch to shares and enter a whole or fractional quantity. There's a toggle on the order screen that lets you change between value and number of shares, so use whichever is more intuitive for you. Now select your order type. A market order buys immediately at the current market price, but the price can move slightly as it fills. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. It will execute only if the market reaches that price or better. You may also see stop or stop limit options, which trigger a buy only once the price moves up to or through a level you set. These are less common for beginners, so use them only if you're clear on how they work. Review the order carefully. Check the total cost, the order type, and the amount you're investing. Then confirm. You'll usually see a brief confirmation screen before the order is sent. During market hours, market orders typically fill almost instantly. Limit and other pending orders may remain open until their conditions are met. You'll receive a notification once your order is filled. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Be mindful of trading hours, since orders placed after hours won't execute until the market opens. Fractional shares are helpful for building a position gradually. If your available cash is very close to the order size, the app may round or convert between value and shares automatically. And always double-check everything before you hit confirm, because prices can change quickly.